Good day, everyone. We're college students from Cebu Normal University, Medellin campus. I am Denise Aizel Santanes, and together with my group members,
I am Joanna Duwan.
I am Elijah Noitolingin.
I am Serpilino.
we are conducting an academic interview as part of our project entitled Industry Insight Interview with a Tourism and Hospitality Professional. This interview aims to give us a deeper understanding of the tourism and hospitality industry by learning from real-life experiences, required skills, challenges, and opportunities encountered by professionals in the field. Today, we are honored to have our respected interviewee, Mr. James Sabala, who is currently working as a waiter at Gourmet Secret Catering. He will be sharing his experiences and insights about working in the catering and hospitality industry. It is truly our privilege to have you here, sir, and we sincerely thank you for accepting our invitation. Your knowledge and professional journey will provide us with valuable learning. Before we begin, we would like to ask your permission to proceed with the interview and, if applicable, to record this for academic purposes only. Pwede namin mag-record, Mr. James?
Yes. Kayo.
So can you please turn on your camera also so we can see you? Thank you very much. If there are no concerns, may we now start the interview. For the first section of our interview questions, personal and job background. So your first question is, what is your current job title and role?
Waiter ko sa Gourmet Catering. Ang akong roles kay magtrabaho gitarang ug kogay din mag-amping sa mga gamit sa catering kay if maka-break me possible na mabawasan na mo sweldo.
So thank you very much. Now let's proceed to the next question. How long have you been working in the tourism hospitality industry?
Mga 1 year na. Mga 1 year na.
Wow, thank you, sir. Moving on to our next question. What inspired you to pursue this career?
Dahil ko makatrabaho ug makig-interact sa laing-laing tao na din gusto ko maka-gain og experience og hospitality field.
Well, we appreciate your response. For our next question, what was your first job in this industry?
Iniragad ka ng waiter.
Thank you for sharing that. Let's continue. Can you briefly describe your career journey?
Pagsugod ko as a waiter, then while working, nakakat-on ko og sa pag-serve sa tarong na handle og customers og pag-work og under pressures.
Wow, thank you very much. Let's proceed to the next category, skills and qualifications. For your first question, what educational background is required for your job?
At least high school graduate pero mag-advantage ko og background sa hospitality. Thank you.
Thank you. Next question. What technical skills are important in your role?
Importante ang proper serving, table setup, and basic knowledge and food handling.
We appreciate that. Moving on, what soft skills are essential in your work?
Communication skills, patience, of teamwork are importante kayo.
Thank you, sir. For our next question, what personal qualities make someone successful in this field?
Dapat friendly, respectful, and hardworking.
Thank you for sharing that. Let's continue. For your last question in this category, are there specific certification or trainings required?
Kung sa'yo nasa training sa food o safety customer service.
Well, thank you very much, sir. For this category, I will now hand you over to the next interviewer. Thank you very much for answering this question, sir. Now let's move on to the next section.
So, good morning, sir. I am Joanna Duwan, the next interviewer. So, my question for you will be all about job responsibilities and challenges. So, let's start with job responsibilities. My first question is, what are your main duties and responsibilities?
Mag-set up og table, serve food, assist the guest, o clean after event.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next, what does a typical workday look like for you?
Mag-prepare sa binyo and serve during event, but clean up after. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, what tasks take up most of your time?
Serving guests o making sure satisfied sila.
Okay, sir. Thank you for answering that. Next, do you work in shifts or regular hours?
Depende sa event, usually shifting.
Thank you so much for answering that. Next, how do you handle customer service in your role?
Pagkita og respect, maminaw sila sa need og act dayon.
Thank you so much. Next, let's move on to challenges. What are the biggest challenges in your job?
Daghang guest at the same time pressure kay sa work.
Thank you so much. Next, how do you handle difficult customers or guests?
Mabiling claim o magpiling claim og maminaw sa ilang din and solve ang problem. Maminaw sa ila din try og solve ang problem.
Thank you so much for answering that. Next, what stressful situations do you usually face?
Basic event o demanding na guest.
Okay, thank you so much for answering that, sir. Next, how do you manage long working hours or shifting schedules?
Magpahuway kung free time og stay prepared physically.
Thank you so much for answering that, sir. My last question for you is, what are common problems in your workplace?
Miscommunication o delay ang service.
Okay, thank you so much for answering your insights regarding your job responsibilities and potential challenges. I appreciate your thoughtful responses. I will now endorse you to the next interviewer for further discussion. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. I am Eliza Tulingin, and I will be your next interviewer. So now, I will be asking some questions about your opportunities as well as industry insights. Now, let's proceed to the first category, which is opportunities. So the first questions, what career growth opportunities are available in your field?
To be my most supervisor or manager in future.
Okay. Are there opportunities are there opportunities for promotion?
Yes, depende sa performance.
Okay, thank you. Does your job allow travel or international work?
Yes, especially sa if bigger companies are cross-line.
What are the advantages of working in this industry?
Kaila kog daghang tao maka-improve sa akong skill.
Okay, thank you. What makes this career rewarding?
Makita ang imong happy na customer.
So now let's proceed to the next category, the industry insight. So the first question, what trends are currently shaping the tourism hospitality industry?
Mag-focus sa customer og mga experience.
How is technology affecting your job?
Mas paspas ang communication ug ang coordination.
Okay, thank you. What challenges does this industry face today?
Competition ug high expectation og sa customers.
Okay, last question. How do you see the industry in next 5 to 10 years?
Mas modern ug advanced na sistema.
Okay, thank you for sharing your insight on the opportunities within the industry insight. I really appreciate your well thought out responses. At this point, I will now hand you to the last interviewer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally, we would like to ask for your advice to guide students who want to pursue this career. So my first question is, what advice would you give to students entering this field?
Be hardworking ug willing to learn.
Okay, thank you. Next is, what should students do to prepare for this career?
Practice communication skills and again experiences. Mga experience.
Okay, next is, what mistakes should beginners avoid?
Ayaw maging kuan mga careless og mga rules. Mga rules.
Okay. Next, what attitude is important for success in this industry?
Positive attitude o mga patience.
Last one. What makes someone stand out in job applications?
Aya palit og dili maminaw sa instruction.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
And that brings us to the end of our interview. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation and also for sharing your time, experiences, and valuable insights with us. We truly learned a lot from this interview, and your knowledge will greatly contribute to our academic learning. We sincerely appreciate your participation, and we wish you continued success in your career. And please take care always, sir, and may God bless you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
And that concludes our interview with Mr. James Sabala from Gourmet Secret Catering. We sincerely thank him once again for sharing his time, experiences, and valuable insights with us. Through this discussion, we have learned more about the skills, challenges, and opportunities in the tourism and hospitality industry. These lessons are informative and inspiring for us students, and we hope they are valuable to you as well. And that's the end. Thank you for watching. This is Denise Aizel Santaren
I am Joanna Duan.
I am Eliza Moitulingin.
I'm Sophie Inakas.
from Cebu Normal University Medellin campus, signing off.